Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to mark all emails as read in Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to mark all emails as read in Gmail, first open up your Gmail app, and on this interface guys, let's let it load. First at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us over here at the top left. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left, and this kind of panel will appear where it will be required to scroll down a little bit, and you can find the all mails option available for us. Tap on all mail and you will be on the all mail section of the email of your Gmail, not just the primary inbox. Now in order to proceed to mark all as read in Gmail, tap and hold on the one of the emails which you want to mark as read, and you can see guys the select all button is available for us at the top left corner of the screen over here. Tap on select all. By this way guys, you can see you will be able to only select 50 of the emails, but if you scroll down to the bottom and cross the 50 margin, you will be able to select up to 100. By doing this guys, if you again scroll down more than 100, you will be able to select 150 emails, and by this way guys, you will be able to select all of the emails that ranges from 50 to 100 to 150, and doing that so on to 200. And after selecting your required or your desired number of emails which you want to mark all as read, you can see guys I have selected 150 mails, but in your case you can do it more. At the top right corner of the screen over here, where there is a message icon with the opened message over here, just beside the dumpster icon over here, you can see when you tap over it, there it says mark read. Tap on it, and guys the emails which you had marked will be marked as read. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to mark all emails as read on Gmail, but you will be only able to select up to the range of 50 emails, ranging from anything but in the interval of 50. So with that being done guys, this is how you'll be able to mark all emails as read in Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.